Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Randy Talley made a request in the comments for Eastman. Thank you, Randy Talley, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $13 billion, Eastman is a S&P 500 company within the chemicals industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.1%. Earnings growth, 1.7%. Earnings estimates, 12.46%. Return on capital, 8.93%. Debt to free cash flow, 4.96 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.87%. Payout ratio, 32.99%. Growth rate, 8.37%. Growth years, 12 years. That gives Eastman 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Eastman is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 11.7% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Eastman in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.